Hello F-150 lovers, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today I'm going to install wheel liners on my 2020 F-150. So the main reason why I got these liners is because I live out here, Central Texas. When it rains, it gets muddy. So basically I want to clean this off and then put the liner back there to prevent mud from getting back in here and into the bumper right there. I bought the Splash Guard fender well liner. I bought an aftermarket liner. I mean, I figure it's really a piece of plastic that goes under there. It's not really, doesn't really need to be that detailed or expensive. You can tell the difference on the manufacturing of it, but from out here you can't tell. So all I really did was, the liner came with pre-drilled holes right there and right there. And all I did was line up the liner, stuffed it in here, made sure it was nice and even, and then I tapped a hole and then ran the screws in. Same thing here and there. Somewhere. Can't even see it. There it is, right there. So 4 screws, stuff it in there, it's all good. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you like my video, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and keep on trucking, and God bless you.